So in the previous video, I developed this Excel sheet. Let's go back to the folder and let's create a new folder and call it results. And in the results, I will place this curve here, and also I will create a new Excel worksheet and call it stress strain curve, right? And I will call it strain, and this will be stress. So strain is in mm per mm, right? And stress is basically MPa or Newton per mm square. So we can call it NPa as well, right? And here at this point, let's go back to this file and copy these. Um, Come back here, paste it here, then go to insert and create a scatter plot over here. So we have this curve, right? And let's go to select data and data, call it stress strain curve for FRC. It's okay. Okay. So first thing first, I prefer Time New Roman. So let's go to format, layout, and access title, right? Primary horizontal axis. Okay. So this is stress. This is strain in mm per mm. And let's go to format chart area. So this should be on top, close, and let's just drag it. So that's it. And let's go to change it and close, remove it. And I think that's it. So this is for it. Let's make it more interesting. Go back to scalar degradation and damage C or damage T, check the limits, apply 0.01, apply, and then go to option common and then scale vector non-uniform 25, 10 and 10. So yeah, we can make it more interesting. And even though we can do some other stuff with these visualization techniques, go to options, common, and feature edges, click on OK. So you can kind of make interesting graphs from it just for your own convenience, and copy it here and come back to the Excel sheet and drag it. So then you can create multi-level here. For example, I have these frames. I can find out the first crack, the second crack, and the third crack, and visualize it here. It works for the same in all of the parts. So, anyways, let's just right click on it and group them. So now you have this kind of curve. You can draw arrows for it. You can draw various arrows in positions. You can find out the maximum and all those stuffs in your file. So um, you can also insert various uh, failure modes, and you can do it on here. You can place various pictures, and place them with your plot. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is the way that you should work on your project, and that's how you are going to get the results. And further interpretation, if you are doing any further interpretation for the results, then I think you can do it. It's not a big deal. You can write annotations, etc., for your file, and you can do statistical analysis. You can find out the force displacement curves, just like the stress strain curves and all those stuffs. So that's what I did, and I'm placing this on my profile here. So just in case if you want any interesting details, I'm going to include them in the next lecture. Um, you can get it as per your requirements. Thank you so much for watching.